Oh my god!
Man, don't you just love how the wheels don't rotate?
I still died.
Oh my god!
Fuck.
Shoot, which one you think is the dud?
Where is it? Oh.
You could.
Shoot
Bro
the one
said,
I
"Where is
think
it?"
is
To
a
the greatest
dud.
design. Yeah. Shoot it twice.
I shot the dud.
Let me show you again what that is.
Oh my! Oh.
Uh-oh.
That did it.
So the ropes. Okay, let's redo that. Let me cook.
I unfroze everything. Oh my god. See,
No.
you are not trustable.
No. Did that affect you?
Yes!
Oh
Is-
shit!
If I went and did this, we should all be. Yeah, there we go.
Uh-oh. Hi there, sir. How you doing? See what's in
Hello
the
there.
back?
No, get away, please. Please, please leave.
What the hell with that tank? I'm taking a
I
screenshot
don't
of
know.
this. What is going on in Milwaukee, bro? You're shooting at me with the nuke in the back.
Yeah, but it's not gonna hit you, because I can't even aim it.
Oh shit, shit, shit! Pull back, pull back! You're going to kill yourself shooting at me.
I guess not. Why are you under me?
The tracks block! Tracks block! Tracks block! Hold on, let me cook.
I didn't even see that. The explosive one is, it's free, by the way. I'm not connected. Oh my.
Some mortars.
You're like
some
breaking my.
Moabs. What the f was that? Okay, so I'm gonna outline these to you. I wanna grab your explosive car. I'm gonna jiggle it around.
No, please. Oh,
just need-
oh. You might not have to do that.
Why?
Alright, self-destruct.
What the f happened?
I
How
hit
did
something.
that happen?
Hit something.
You hit something is an
Self-destruct.
understatement.